So for today's video, I wanna do another matte makeup look. For this time, I'm doing the winter matte makeup look. So all I wear is all of them is matte. So I don't have any highlight on. So I feel weird. Oh, and I'm using my favorite matte eyeshadow of all the time. One of my favorites. So this is the Tarte. This is the original Tarte palette by Tarte. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyes. Okay, then after that I just set all over my eyes with powder so it doesn't crease. Now we get into the eyeshadow. I'm using Tarte palette by Tarte. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color like always. Okay, then after that I'm taking this shade and just put it on the outer corner and blending it all out to the crease. I'm taking black shade and just put it as an eyeliner as well, but below that purple color, if you know what I mean. Okay, then after that I'm taking the Body Shop ID Finder in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Then after that I just curl my lashes. And then after that I just put some mascara on my upper lashes, and that's it for the eyes. Let's get into the face. Okay, now we're moving on into the face. I'm taking my primer and just prime my face. I mainly put it on the center of my face. Okay, then after that I'm taking my foundation and I'm using buffing brush by Real Technique to apply them. So I put it all over my face and just buff it with the brush. Okay, then after that I'm taking my concealer and just put it to highlight and conceal my dark circle, and then I put it on the center of my nose and on my forehead and then on my chin and just blending it all out. After that I'm taking my pressed powder and just set all over my face with this powder. I'm taking it with the small brush to set the concealer and then bigger brush to set all over my face so it doesn't kicky. Okay, then after that I'm taking matte bronzer and just contour plus bronzing my face. So yeah. Okay, then after that for the blush, I'm taking the Body Shop Fresh Sorbet blush in the shade Tuscan Grape and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Okay, then after that I remember I haven't contoured my nose, so I contour my nose with the same bronzer. Okay, now we're back into the eyes. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my lower lash line. Okay, then after that I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my lower lash line as well, but I'm using more precise brush instead of like fluffy brush. Okay, then after that I'm taking the same eyeliner and just put it on my waterline. Okay, then after that with the same mascara I'm just putting it on my lower lashes. Okay, then after that I'm taking my matte lipstick and just put it all over my lips. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.